So, ayun guys, kuha tayo ng PSA online. So, ayan. So, guys, ano lang natin yung, type lang natin yung PSA. Ayan, lalabas ito. Click lang natin. Tapos, makikita nyo guys, itong help, NSO helpline. Click lang natin. So, ayan, mapupunta kayo dito. Tapos, pag napunta kayo dito, ayan, lagyan natin ng pangalan kung para kanino. Ito na sa akin. Pangalan ko. Ayan. Tapos, yung apelyido o surname. Tapos, enter natin yung email address na active. So, ayan, type lang natin. Tapos, type natin yung order. So, ito yung ano. Yun lang. Nag-stop na sila ng online. So, ayun dito, PSA Helpline PH was ordered to stop accepting application from January 4, 2020 and onwards through a letter received from the Office of the National Statistic of the Philippines Statistic Authority. The letter received from National Statistician Claire Dennis Mapa state that PSA has received numerous and various complaints against Filipinas teleserve related to its serve. Our statistics show that in 2019 we have a complaint rate of 0.5% out of the total application we serve. These recorded complaints include complaints from various channels in our operation and complaints from 888, PCC, CCB, and PSA directly. This total tally also includes valid and invalid complaints. Invalid complaints refer to complaints relative to our strict implementation of PSA guidelines and follow-ups received even within our delivery commitment schedule. We believe that we have maintained a very high level of service to our complaints with strict adherence to all PSA guidelines and policies. We are in the process of making an appeal for the National Statistician to reconsider this decision. We will make another announcement as soon as may development comes. Sorry for the inconvenience. So, ayun guys. Sa ngayon pala, hindi available yung online order ng PSA. So, ayun guys. Better kung meron na lang malapit sa inyong lugar na mga PSA yun sa Alabang dito sa atin, mas malapit. Alabang kasi yung pinakamalapit dito. So, better doon na lang kayo kumuha. Tulad ko na kailangan ko sana at tinatamad ako pumunta. Ay hindi tayo makakakuha hanggang hindi sila nakakapag-appeal at walang So, ayun. Suspended muna yung order natin sa PSA. So, yun guys, thank you for watching. Ulitin natin kasi baka Try natin guys ulitin kasi baka lang yun eh. Try natin naman na Yan, ito ang kunin natin. Ayan. Hindi ko alam na na hindi pala nakakapag-online na sa ngayon. Hina ng ating signal. Wala talaga. Ulitin natin. Kung talagang ayaw nga. So, ayun. Wala talaga, guys. Ito talaga yung nag-a-appear. Screenshot na lang natin. Ay. Screenshot na lang natin. Ayan, guys. Thank you for watching. Hindi pala tayo makakapag order ng ating PSA online. Saka ang lahat ng pwede sana i-order dito sa PSA. Tulad ng birth certificate, marriage contract, death certificate, at marami pang iba. Ayun guys, thank you for watching.